2018 Toyota 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Your new ride is just a phone call away.